अरे एक इयरिंग ओनली है ना,
इयरिंग्स नहीं दिखाई दिया मेरे को आपका कोई भी।
Would request all to please be on the mute mode. Neeta and Vanshaj.
Yes, ma'am.
Today's guest name is Suchita Gupta and Pinky Arora, ma'am. So just check and let me know when they have joined it. Just let me know.
Gupta ma'am has joined.
Who has joined?
Suchita Gupta.
Okay. Good evening, Suchita ma'am. How are you?
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening to all my guests, all my viewers. I am just doing the last minute because today my signal is not working. So on my laptop, I am just I've taken the hotspot. So just see, we are not that tech savvy. So just we are working on the. Neeta, just see whether Pinky Arora ma'am has also joined in.
Yes, ma'am. She's just joined.
Good evening,
Good
ma'am.
evening, ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening, Pinky ma'am.
Very good evening, ma'am. How are
Good
you?
evening, Pinky.
I'm good,
Good
ma'am.
evening, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. कैसे हो?
That's fine.
So today we have two dynamic ladies from North India. आप लोग ने बात करके पहना है, मुझे भी बता देते.
Okay.
Just on a lighter note.
Huh?
Black.
Black. Okay. Yours also seems to be black.
No, ma'am.
Yeah. Great.
No. मेरा लैपटॉप और इससे दोनों से है. See.
Okay.
I am not wearing black.
Okay.
That was my DP. That was my DP.
That was your DP. Okay.
My favorite color is black. That's why I'm wearing black.
Oh wow, lovely. Black hides too many things. That is why it's a favorite color of females as well as men.
I had messaged you, Suchita ma'am. मैंने आपको करा मैसेज काफी देर पहले. Should I call you? I think you are busy somewhere.
No, actually we were having our own webinar na, of Be the Change.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So that was presentations were going on.
Okay.
So I couldn't see.
Right. No issue.
So it's 5:29. In another 1 minute, we will be going live. Till that time, let me set the settings for being live.
When you are from which place?
Bathinda, ma'am.
Okay.
So it's 5:30 and we are just starting. So I would request all my viewers to be on mute mode for a few seconds, because once we go live, then it doesn't give a sound. Okay, just 1 minute till the time we go live.
Right. I think there is a network issue from my side also. So
Today, lot of network issues, ma'am. My Wi-Fi is not getting connected.
same
So
here.
yeah, so I have connected with my hotspot. So I don't know how much time we will be able to go live, but let
Let's
us
see.
try.
Hope for
Yeah,
hope for the
and not
best.
if not, then we put the recording.
Yeah.
Yes, it's live
That's
now.
why off my camera.
Okay.
Is it
Yeah.
okay? Yeah. I don't think
It's
so.
okay.
There is any
Once
problem.
your turn comes, ma'am. Once your turn comes, that time you can just on your video. And even then, if there is signal issues, that then you can keep your this thing off. Also, not a problem. Now, good
Right.
evening and welcome back to Rapid Talks with Rachna once again. I welcome each one of you. I can see many of the educators, edu leaders, teachers, parents have joined the show. So thank you so much for your love and affection for joining us and hearing us out on different topics. Before I start, let me brief you about Fun to Learn. Rapid Talks with Rachna is an initiative of Fun to Learn. Fun to Learn is a 15-year-old association, ISO certified organization which deals basically with skills improvement that is beyond academics, you can say, which is very much necessary for the overall development of the child. Our basic expertise lies on the handwriting improvement process. When we talk about handwriting, usually it comes that we work on the primary level. But let me tell you, our expertise is for the secondary students, where everybody is there to say, write neatly, write properly, acha se likho, but there is nobody to guide the kids. How? And 20 to 25% of the marks goes away of the intelligent child due to the illegibility of their writing. So Fun to Learn works tirelessly to improve their writing in just few hours, like 10 hours. We just work on the kids' handwriting, and you can see 100% improvement on their handwriting. Apart from handwriting, we also work on the mental maths. We try to make the kids' brain faster than a calculator, because nowadays even small multiplication like 2 into 12, also the kids, they are using the gadgets. So the more we use our brain, the more it is better, and we are able to work more efficiently. So with the right from spoken English, phonics, handwriting improvement, we work on various aspects. Today's topic for discussion is online education. There has been lot of controversy about the online education, whether for the, especially for the pre-primary age group, that whether it should be done or not. As per the government, they have stopped the pre-primary education. But let us hear from our experts, from the from the edu leaders, whether it should be banned or we should continue, because what government is saying is too much of screen time. But are we saving the screen time? No. If the online classes are being done, then at least the kids, they are learning something productive. Otherwise, I had spoken to few of the parents today morning itself. They say ki if not online classes, the kids, they are stuck with TV and video games. So online screen time, you can say, has considerably increased in the absence of online teaching. Online teaching, we are not basically focusing on the curriculum, but the overall skills. So we will be discussing on the whether online education is a boom or a bane. So before I start this, I would just like to quote something. Invention of knife is a boon to the mankind if it is used for cutting and peeling vegetables, and it is a curse if it is used to rob people for their belongings. How and why a knife is used decides if it is a boon or a curse. The same way we will the same way it is for the online education as well. How we take it depends. So today we on the topic will be talking Dr. Suchitra Gupta, who is an educationist, motivational speaker. 1 second, something went wrong again on my phone. Dr. Suchita Gupta is an educationist, motivational speaker, director academics, Learning Temple School, Kathua. And English Solutions, she is a chairperson of Human Rights Manch Punjab, a national head of PEFI. She is a versatile personality having 32 years of experience and deals with students counseling and inculcation of moral values. She is associated with many social organizations. Welcome on board, Dr. Sujita Gupta.
Thank you, ma'am.
And-
Thank you.
And another panelist for the day is Mrs. Pinky Arora. She is a principal of Shri Guru Angad Dev World School, Bhatinda District, Punjab. She too is a motivational speaker, moderator, and having 15 years of experience in the education line and with conferred with many awards. So before I start on, I would just like to have their views. Before starting, Suchita ma'am, since you have 32 years of experience, so before we start on our topic, would you like to say something?
Yeah, definitely. I'll say that, see, nowadays, if I come, we have to take care of our children because nowadays education system has totally changed. Gone are the days when we used to study, we used to enjoy a lot, we used to play, we have lot many extracurricular activities, physical fitness used to be there. Now the children, they are already stuck to this multimedia and they're stuck to TV, they are stuck to those mobile games and everything. So they don't get that much of time to get some exposure. Rather than, and if we talk about the education, we are forcing the children. If I talk to the parents, maybe some parents are listening to this, we are just forcing the children to
Suchitra ma'am, let me tell you,
Yes.
sorry to interrupt in between, but let me tell you that apart from the 60 parents and educators who have joined in, we have 5,000 viewers watching us on Facebook. So we
Yeah,
have
yeah.
all sectors of people. We have educators as well as parents. So whatever you want to say, you can
Yes,
openly
yes.
say, so
So-
that our maximum, see, we try our best to reach out to
Yeah.
maximum
So my
people.
message,
Yes, ma'am, over to you.
Yes, ma'am. My message is for the parents because we become very much what we can say, we pamper our children and we are very much particular about our children that you have to score 98% marks. I am such type of principal in my schools. My children, they are very, very happy that our principal ma'am says, don't go for 98% marks, rather study for clearing your concepts. Your concepts should be clear, and whatever you learn, you should learn it for life. It should not be only for the passing of the examination. And to my teachers fraternity, my educator fraternity, whosoever is listening, I just request everyone that we must not force our children for the marks itself. I think our five fingers are not equal. If five fingers are not equal, every child is not equal, every individual is not equal. So every person has some or the other innate quality. We need to nurture that quality. We need to bring out the best of our children. So if we do this thing, then only we are the real educators. So we need to take care of our children.
Right, ma'am. So now,
Very well
Pinky
said.
ma'am, my next question comes to you is if you can just throw a light, what is actually online training? First,
Yeah.
our viewers, let us discuss what is online training so that we can go further. If your signal allows, then you can unmute your
Yeah.
video. If your signal doesn't allow, uh,
I
then
think
you
there's a
can just
network issue.
welcome Mr. Rajesh.
We'll continue.
Welcome
Yeah.
Rajesh sir to the show. Yes, Pinky
Very
ma'am.
well said. Very well said, Suchita ma'am. जितना भी आपने कहा, और it's a true. All time I've give the same example. Five fingers are not same. It's true, but that depend upon the mind setup कि लोग क्या सोचते हैं कि वाकई ये चीजें रियलिटी में है या नहीं है. Here I would like to speak on this topic, which is online teaching. Since I'm a principal of school and I'm a teacher of myself, yes, I'm also a mother of two. so I can totally understand the terms that going on you and our mind. But let me clear one thing: each and each one have smart. We all have a smartphones and must have an account of any one of social media. There is no doubt at all in that. Social media, according to the global digital report, the number of internet users is 4.58 billion, has become reached. And if I talk about social media, users has become 3.54 4.5 billion has reached. From this data we understand how much it has been become a popular among all the person. So I would like to say that online teaching has a very good impact on our education system today. Since we have seen this pandemic situation, this was huge diseases in this country and all over the world. I would say in today, I'm audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are.
Yeah.
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah. Today's words, online teaching, online education is, hello.
Yes,
Yes,
you are
ma'am, we
audible.
can hear
Yeah.
you.
I think there is network problem from my side. That
Yeah.
is why.
You keep on
Yeah, if
speaking.
we are not
You
able to hear
People
you,
are
I will message you.
right. People are learning through online teaching, and in this time, internet and online education helping us a lot. These are there are so many kids who are still getting in touch with the education through online teaching ideas, that everybody should know of this. How informative and educational things today. With the comfort of our house, we can still study, we can still educate ourselves, we can still we can still get information about each and everything around the world. Online teaching is definitely a boon and can be an add-on to traditional teaching, but no doubt it can replace traditional teaching. Now, whenever we thought about the online learning, the first and very important step should be how to judge the quality of online teaching and education content. It's definitely depend upon your judgment. When you would open your internet, there will be a all type of data. So it's only in your hands, one and only your choice what you want to open. And on the same time, um, one type of data can be either beneficial or harmful on the basic of your interest. Say for example, if you are the student of biology, the study of sexology is good for you, but on the same time, if you will take it with any wrong intention, it can be really very harmful for your mind. Well, let's come on the online education. It's very useful for us because there are lots of advantages in this pandemic time. There is a flexibility. I think there is a flexibility where I thought about online teaching is very first thing comes in my mind. It's a flexibility. We can learn anywhere, even.
Ma'am, the positive side we will touch up little later.
Yeah.
First, as I asked you about the online education, you very well you explained about online education, what it is. So Suchitra ma'am, my next question comes to you is, thank you for sharing about this online education, Pinky ma'am.
Thank you.
What is the requirement, prerequisite, and what you mentioned here was about the little elder kids. So Suchitra ma'am, my question what comes to you is uh, uh, about online teaching for the pre-primary kids. How do you rate it? Is it good or bad? First, we would like to know the negative aspects
Okay.
of pre-primary students.
Okay.
If we are training them, first let us discuss the negative points, what are how the kids are affected, and then we go on to the positive aspect. So
Right,
over to
right.
you, Suchita ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Rachna ma'am, for asking me such a nice question, because on these days we are already discussing on these things only. And
Right.
I'll just quote an example, just like every coin has two sides. So everything has two sides. Every like thing has negative as well as positive. So first of all, I'll say that online teaching is a very good, as you see in abroad, people, the children, they are studying through online only. Many in many places, if you say. But if we are talking about the pre-primary student, as you asked me, I'll come to your question only. For the pre-primary children, no doubt our pre-primary children, if we say, they see that every time the parents nowadays, they have given mobiles in their hands, they are playing with the mobiles, that is also online. They are always used to that mobile screens, or they are watching TV, they are even playing on the laptops. But negative of online teaching is this, because when it comes to particular teaching, then we have to set one time, because teachers have to maintain a timetable that at this time we will be taking the class. Maybe that small child is not in a mood to study. So as I already told, that pre-primary children are, we always tell in our schools also, to the teachers, to the parents, when the parents, they are after us, like you are not giving them written work, you are not giving them this thing, we say this is only the age when we have to leave them to their own. Let them do what they want to do, let them learn by doing process, learning by doing process, we always say. But when it comes to online, then they have a fixed timing. At that time only, if they are not in a mood to sit on the this computer, or sit on this even mobile also, so their study will hamper if we are having some syllabus to cover or something like that. But in my point of view, there should be no syllabus during this period of time, to this pandemic. As government is saying, if we should stop, but we can stop the forceful that syllabus for the students, but not the
Right.
study. Study can be taken in many ways. It cannot be that fixed syllabus, you have to write A, you have to write B, that this much. I think parents are also eligible for this thing. Parents are educated nowadays, they can do that thing. We can only give them that this much is the things, within this short span of time they must complete this thing. But online, what we can, online activities, what we can do with the children are, uh, I'll share with you. There is one school in over here in Pathankot only. The child is in nursery class and he is doing the jumping activity and learning counting, then step counting, then even multiplying, then addition, then subtraction. By her mother has made a very big that cross in which some blocks are there, and he is doing in that way. They are uploading those things in the Facebook, and we keep on seeing on the Facebook many parents are becoming very creative. So
Right.
I don't say that we should stop online study. Otherwise, our children will become lethargic, and our
Right.
children will do nothing. They will be of no use, because how much parents will guide them? Because when teachers are doing lot of work at home, preparing their things for the children, I have seen the videos in the Facebook, on the Facebook, that teachers are becoming fish themselves, holding a fish on their head, and they are
Right.
dancing with the children, they are doing the yoga activities with the children. We know that children will not listen to their parents. The negative thing is only that when we have a fixed time, so we must do this thing, that it should not be fixed for the children. It can be recorded, it can be sent to the children whenever the child has it, his or her mood, then they can see that thing and they can perform those activities in front of their parents, with the help of their parents. Because nowadays, due to this online teaching, because of this pandemic with lockdown periods, parents have got a very big responsibility to
Right.
take. And I think this is my suggestion also, because in
Okay.
n number of, I don't know about the big cities like Mumbai and Delhi and all, in our Punjab and in Jammu, where I am teaching, their parents are so much like after this thing, ki like what school is doing. School is not
Right.
doing this thing. School is not, every responsibility is of the school. Now parents
Right.
will realize, due to this time, parents are realizing that how much difficult it is when we are not able to handle 1 or 2 children at home, how a teacher is
Right.
handling 20 children in the
Absolutely
class.
right.
Yes.
Absolutely right, ma'am. Now,
Yeah.
Vimal sir, you the question you have put up is about online teaching useful for nursery, LKG, and UKG. So the same question was put up to Suchita ma'am, and she was replying to that. And Suchita ma'am, let me inform you, Fun to Learn is doing the same thing. We are doing yoga, dance, music,
Yes.
all type of activities. So for the pre-primary kids, you know, we don't have to do curriculum wise, because online everything curriculum wise is not possible.
Yeah.
So we have to see the interest level, that how in an innovative way, like the story way or the yoga, game, dance, how we can teach the kids. Because earlier, you know ma'am, many of the international schools, they used to say, tell me, like last 3 to 4 years, इंटरनेशनल स्कूल्स आजकल टेक्नोलॉजी के जमाने में लिखता कौन है, सिंस वी ऑफर हैंडराइटिंग प्रोग्राम, नाउ द सेम स्टूडेंट when they are attending their classes on Zoom, they are sitting with a pen and paper. So even if the whole world has become digital world, we require to write, because handwriting is brain writing. So I rightly agree to you is that yes, we should not stop. And as you said about the recording part,
Yeah.
ma'am, if we send the recording, see, there are a lot of recording being floated in the social media, whether be on Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp.
Yes.
My personal experience is, if there is no fixed time, the time never comes. Now, if a child is given an option to come to school, that he may come to school at 8 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock, or 3 o'clock, will the child come?
No.
अरे बाद में कभी भी देख लेंगे, वो कभी आता ही नहीं है.
नहीं,
So
वो तो है.
seriously.
That is true, ma'am. That is true.
Yeah.
But I'm saying for the nursery children, for
Right.
nursery or pre-nursery children, we can skip this thing for them. Rest of
Ma'am,
the classes.
time,
But oral will be
मैम
there,
पेरेंट्स के पास कभी टाइम नहीं मिलता है. लेट मी टेल यू, अगर आपने फिक्स कर दिया कि इस समय बैठना है, तो बैठना है, अदरवाइज वो कभी नहीं आता है. So thank you so much for this your insights. Now my next question comes to Pinky ma'am. Pinky ma'am, how much challenging it is now, as per the government, till 4th or 5th standard. It's a humble request to my viewers, please mute yourself so that we can hear our panelists, because a very important discussion is going on. So just Neeta and Vanshar, if you can take care of muting everybody except the speakers.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Now my next question to Pinky ma'am is, somebody is playing with a car, I think, and I can hear the noise. So just check it out.
Ma'am, can I just mute everybody once, and then you and the speakers can unmute themselves?
Yeah,
Yes,
okay,
yes.
Suchita
Yeah.
ma'am, Pinky ma'am, and just Neeta will mute everybody, and then you both can also unmute yourself. Yes,
Yes,
Neeta,
yes.
come on.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, you can unmute yourselves.
Yeah. Now, Pinky ma'am, next question to me is, as per the new government norms, pre-primary until 3rd or 4th pre-primary and primary students classes cannot be taken. Okay. So, how much challenging it is for the parents? Parvinder Kaur, please mute yourself, because we would like to hear the panelists. So if we hear the government and we stop the activities, so nowadays 21st century, most of the parents, both mother and father, are working. So how much challenging it is for the parents with no activity? We would like to have your insights on that, Pinky ma'am. Pinky ma'am, please unmute yourself. Pinky
Just-
ma'am, please. Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes, Pinky ma'am. Yeah.
Pardon, please, ma'am.
My next question to you is, like, now in this 21st century, most of the parents are working, be it mother and father. So how much challenging or taxing it is for the parents if we stop the activities? If the parents have a child in pre-primary, you say, and pre-primary and primary, and we stop all these online classes, so how much challenging it becomes for the working parents to cope up with the situation?
Yeah. Actually, should I speak in Hindi? If it
Yes,
is
ma'am.
possible.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure, sir. Just 1 minute, Pinky ma'am. Vimal sir, you have put it in the question. Students can learn only videography. They cannot understand how to write. Let me tell you,
Yes, ma'am.
this pandemic, Pantulan has trained more than 500 students globally. So anything is possible.
Good evening, ma'am.
If you want to learn how to write online, do contact me on personal.
Sure, ma'am. Definitely. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, panelists. Actually, we are facing
Good
the
evening,
same
sir.
problem. It's a big challenge for the teachers. Nowadays, parents are to be कि student अभी sitting proper नहीं कर रहा. They can't understand the alphabets. How to identify its alphabet of Hindi,
So
Punjabi
leave
or
it
English.
on the experts. I would say just one statement, fun to learn the handwriting experts. So leave it on that. We have done calligraphy sessions, we have done handwriting sessions. And if you want, I can show you I will send you the videos, how engrossed the kids are while doing their work. So I will just send
Yeah.
you that after the show, and whoever is interested and facing such challenges, Fun to Learn is the one-stop solution for handwriting. Sorry, Pinky ma'am, I thought let me just answer Vimal sir. Yes, sir, Pinky ma'am, over to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Pinky ma'am, over to you. Pinky ma'am, please unmute yourself. Pinky ma'am, you are
Yeah.
muted, I suppose. Yeah.
Yeah, no doubt there are lots of challenge from parent sides
Yeah.
because they don't know how to you know नहीं उनको प्रॉपर पता है प्रॉपर वे में डिजिटल क्या है कैसे कंप्यूटर को कैसे लैपटॉप को या कैसे मोबाइल को हमने यूज करना है कुछ
Right.
जैसे हम लोग वी बिलोंग टू रूरल एरिया तो हमारे पेरेंट्स को जैसे हम लोग गाइड करते हैं इवन हम लोगों ने जैसे ऐप स्टार्ट करी है तो पेरेंट्स को सेंड कर रहे हैं कुछ तो दे सेड कि मैम हमारा डाउनलोड नहीं हो रहा तो उसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रही है मैम उनको यही नहीं पता कि हमने मेल आईडी बनानी है या किस तरह से काम करना है तो ये प्रॉब्लम डेली बेसिस पे हम लोग फेस कर रहे हैं तो सबसे पहले जो पेरेंट्स की तरफ से ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है वो यही है कि दे डोंट नो हाउ टू हैंडल हाउ टू हैंडल एप्स कैसे हम
Right.
उन चीजों को हैंडल कर सकते हैं सेकंड थिंग अगर हम कुछ भेज रहे हैं लाइक पीडीएफ फाइल है वो डाउनलोड नहीं हो रहा उनके लिए भी उनका ये क्वेश्चन होता है कि मैम कैसे करें तो ये चीजें हम डेली बेसिस पे फेस कर रहे हैं इवन हम लोग उनको ऑनलाइन गाइडलाइंस भी दे रहे हैं वन बाय वन पेरेंट्स को स्कूल में बुला करके सर आपने ऐसे करना है मैम ऐसे करना है बट कहीं ना कहीं माइंड सेटअप है जैसे मैम ने पहले कहा कि 5 फिंगर्स आर नॉट इक्वल तो सब पेरेंट्स का जो माइंड सेटअप है एज सच वैसा नहीं है जैसा हम सोचते हैं कि हाँ हमने बता दिया और उन्होंने उसको कैच आउट कर दिया तो ये
Right.
चीजें डेली बेसिस पे हम फेस कर रहे हैं स्लो लर्नर है बच्चों की तरह हम पेरेंट्स को भी ये चीज बोल सकते हैं दे आर स्लो लर्नर कॉपिंग में कॉप अप करने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम आ रही है और सेकंड थिंग लैक ऑफ नॉलेज का भी सेम है कुछ पेरेंट्स जिन लोगों के पास एंड्रॉइड फोन ही नहीं है स्मार्टफोन्स ही नहीं है उनके लिए सबसे ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम यही है कि मैम हम लोगों को इस चीज के बारे में नॉलेज नहीं है तो सो काइंडली गाइड मी हाउ वी यूज इट राइट
Okay. Yeah.
नेक्स्ट I think it's sufficient.
Okay. Okay. So Suchitra ma'am, would you like to add on to it?
Hanji ma'am, I'll just add on as Pinky ma'am said that parents are having this problem. Same problem we were also facing, but it is that how we are guiding the parents. So parents ultimately, when they come to know that it is for the sake of our children, because we are purchasing every day, I just guide the parents in such a way that when we are spending a huge amount on pizzas, burgers, and then purchasing new dresses for the children, or we are spending in a hotel, we are spending 5,000 over there. So nowadays Android phones are available for even 2000, 3000 also, if not going on the higher side. So we motivated our parents that you have to purchase, you have to become in this way, because you know that now your children will suffer if you will not have the phone. So they have purchased. And if we have to train, we have given them the training. No doubt our teachers are very much helping them. And that is why this Rachna ma'am, I really today on this platform, I really want to salute our education fraternity, whom everyone on the society is cursing every day, that
Right.
teachers just for the sake of fees, these online classes are started, or for this. It is not for this thing, because the day the pandemic was declared, that this lockdown was declared, I asked my teachers to start, even if otherwise our session would have started on 8th of April. But on 20th March only, we started in our school that something or the other we should go give to the children, so that
Right.
parents can handle them at home. Otherwise, it is very difficult, because one Saturday we keep off, parents are shouting, why 2 Saturdays are off? Please, ma'am, keep
Right.
it working. We are not able to handle them at home. So now how the parents are handling for last 3 months? So
Right.
to make those parents, the comfort for those parents, the teachers are doing awful job, wonderful job. I salute to my teachers. We being
Absolutely.
principals, we are not doing that much of work as our teachers are doing.
True.
They are
Right.
looking after their families, they are looking after their children, they are making different dishes for the children. Besides that, whenever they are getting some free time, they are preparing notes for the next day for their children to be
Right.
delivered in their classes. So our teachers, they are doing wonderful job to train our parents also. The parents who are not aware of this, they are training them also. And mostly all the parents, they are doing that.
Please mute yourself. Whoever is there, Mr. Vinod from Shemport, please mute yourself. Mr.
If-
Vinod from Shemport, please mute. Nita, just take care. Yes, ma'am.
If I say that if we stop these online classes, I think the future of our children will be vanished. They will be
Right.
just involved in holding those mobiles and watching those movies or cartoons or PUBG. What is which is very famous, every time they will be busy with that. With the small kids are also available, because parents have given them open everything.
Ma'am, with this,
Yeah.
I would like to add on. Government had reduce online screen time. Government had said no to education. But
Yeah.
as I spoke, जैसा अभी आप लोग दोनों ने बात किया कि parents are not tech savvy. But my actual question was, अगर आप मुंबई जैसे शहर का बात करें, जहाँ पे parents are tech savvy, but both are working parents. How do they, what is the challenge they face कि they are not able to give their time? Like today morning, I spoke to a doctor, Dr. Mom, and she said at least 9 बजे class होता है, बच्चा अपना time से उठता है, वो Zoom के आगे बैठता है, and he is learning new things. At least 2 hours, 3 hours, he learns something, he does
Yes.
yoga, dance, so many things. And after the class, as in regular routine, he gets tired, he have his lunch, and he sleeps. So the parents are half day, they are also comparatively free to do their work.
Yes.
And the second point, Pinky ma'am, what you mentioned was about handling the apps and not downloading. So as rightly suggested by Suchita ma'am, that she is educating the parents. I am sure you are also doing, and Fun to Learn is
Same
also
here.
doing the same. We are conducting classes. Where we are teaching them how to use different sources. We are
Yes.
conducting classes for teachers, how to make videos, how to make your videos to make interesting. And there is some question here where somebody has put it up, how to make it quite innovative with primary kids. So sir or ma'am, whoever has written this, please do watch few of the sessions of Fun to Learn with kids. Believe me, you will yourself be motivated when you see the
Yes.
kids, they join 15 minutes before the class, because you have to find the ways how to make it interesting. See, the schools or your
Because
seniors may give you the just the gist, but interactive interesting कैसे बनाते हैं वो आपके ऊपर है. आप कितना भी interesting topic हो, लेकिन first thing is I think Vimal sir is watching me from 2 months, right sir? He knows, Vimal sir knows when the world didn't know how to use Zoom. We played treasure hunt on Zoom. We played Antakshi on Zoom. And
Yes.
2-2.5 महीने से sir
Sambola
seen.
also.
I have also seen.
Sambola also.
I'll tell you, जब मुझे Zoom operate करना भी नहीं आता था. Let me tell you, ma'am, I stay alone next to quarantine center. 400 लोग हमारे बाजू में quarantine में. अभी भी हमारा, we are not allowed to step out. Still kids look forward. Why? Because smiling face है. आप बच्चों को सिर्फ 15 मिनट दो, क्योंकि पेरेंट्स के पास 24/7 बच्चे रहते हैं, तो पेरेंट इज लाइक इट इज दिस वे. Just give 15 minutes before the class. Just give 15 minutes before the class, and just उससे प्यार से बात कर लो. And then you see next day वो बच्चा सबसे पहले आपके क्लास में वेटिंग रूम में आपको मिलेगा. So this is for the majority of the educators who have put it in the query box. And if any of you want, please do attend a few sessions of Fun to Learn, and I'm sure you will get motivated for new innovations. Yes, ma'am. Pinky, ma'am, you were saying something?
Yeah. Actually, ma'am, that's depend upon the parents now how to guide the students, how to guide the kids. Like there are lots of activity like Google Guru, right? YouTube, from KG wing or pre-primary wing, there are lots of activity available on YouTube, and you know, each and every app. You can see on FB also. You can see on you can watch any activity for junior wings on YouTube. There are lots of activity that depend upon the parents how we utilize the time, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Actually, Rachna ma'am, I want to say one thing.
Yes, ma'am.
It all depends on, like, see, parents, as you said, Diki, Dr. Mom, I will just share one experience. One of my nephew, he is just in 4th class, and my Bhabhi, I just asked her, I said, you must be busy with him. She said, no, only on the first day, I guided him that how to do.
Right.
Now he takes his bag in the room, he locks the room, and he opens the mobile, and he does his each and every work, and then he comes out, ki mama, now I'm free. I have done all the activities. So this is what the teachers are, how teachers are taking the children with them. And the parents, I say ki to make the things innovative and all, now children are extra smart, over smart.
One second,
so smart,
Suchita
our
ma'am.
children. Yes, ma'am.
Suchita ma'am, 1 second. Miss Mamta Sharma, please mute yourself. Miss Mamta Sharma, lot of background noise is coming, please. Yes, Suchita ma'am.
Yeah, so that is what I'm saying. Now children are very smart. You just tell them one time only,
Right.
and they will do the things wonderfully. They will do better than us.
Yes,
So
ma'am. That
true.
is what we
Yeah.
have seen
Yeah.
from Pan India Edu leaders, like the school students. They are sitting in their school uniform. First, yes, 2 days the parents had to teach the even pre-primary level, and then the kids. They are much more smarter than us.
Yes.
And as we all know, the brain development, 80% of the brain development is from 0 to 5 years. We
Yeah.
just need to teach them is what is required.
Yes, now children are sitting in school uniform. They are doing the morning assembly, thought of the day,
Right.
everything they are doing.
Right. So, what do you say? What is your take on it? That should online teaching for the pre-primary, it should be stopped, or
No, it should be there. It should be there.
Yes.
But it should be for limited time. It should
Right.
not be for whole that 8 to 2 o'clock school is going on, or 8 to 12 school is going on. It should be for such a long time. It may not be possible for the children to sit in front of this.
right? 2 hours, I feel 1 hour, then again a gap, and then again a 1 hour.
Yes,
is
yes,
sufficient.
yes.
Yes.
2 hours
Yeah.
are sufficient. 2 hours are
Yes.
sufficient. Rest
Okay.
something can be given on the video also. Whatever is the writing practice or something that the parents can do otherwise also.
Right, sir. Now, Pinky ma'am, what is your take on it? Whether online classes for the pre-primary, see, for secondary, nobody is worried because the kids are mature enough. They take the classes and everything is okay. For the pre-primary and primary level, what do you suggest, Pinky ma'am?
I think there is a online classes should be there, because
Okay.
बच्चे बिजी रहेंगे तो ही ठीक है, अदरवाइज यू ऑलरेडी टोल्ड ना कि मैम हम लोग घर पे हैंडल नहीं कर पा रहे हैं.
Right.
पेरेंट्स ऑलरेडी कम टू द स्कूल एंड मैम प्लीज स्कूल ओपन कर लो प्लीज. तो दैट इज नॉट इजी टास्क फॉर पेरेंट्स कि हम
Right.
40 स्टूडेंट क्लास में संभाल रहे हैं. इट्स नॉट इजी टास्क फॉर अस एंड पेरेंट्स अभी 2 बच्चों को संभाल रहे हैं तो दे सेड मैम प्लीज, हाथ जोड़ के बैठे मैम प्लीज. तो आई थिंक ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन, ऑनलाइन स्टडी जैसे हम कंटिन्यू कर रहे हैं डे बाय डे, तो थोड़ा सा बच्चा अपने आप को बिजी फील करता है, पेरेंट्स को भी लगता है कि स्टडी कर रहे हैं. इट्स गुड फॉर, आई थिंक इन दिस सिनेरियो इट्स गुड फॉर ऑल.
And now, ma'am, parents have started realizing. Otherwise, parents पहले क्या बोलते थे, पता नहीं टीचर क्या कराते हैं, हमारे एक बच्चे को तो संभाल नहीं पाए, जबकि
Right.
एक टीचर एटलीस्ट 50 बच्चे को संभालते थे. अब उन्हें
Yes.
एक या 2 बच्चे संभालने पड़ रहे हैं. No.
राइट,
And one more thing, Rachna ma'am, one more
Yes,
thing I
ma'am.
just want to add. See,
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
not only the academics which we have to teach to the children.
Right.
Right now, academic, that is why the government is also saying, even CBSE has said that we must reduce the syllabus. If there are 20 lessons in a book, we must go for 15 lessons. We need not to complete all the 20 lessons in English. That is the story or something. We are teaching to the children. See, I have seen in my school children also, they have started learning how to fold the clothes. They are helping their
Right.
mother. Girls
Right.
are helping their mother in filling up the bottles and keeping in the fridge. They are doing these
Ma'am,
work.
also
How the-
boys. Also boys.
Boys are also doing. Boys
All-
are also doing. Boys are
all
also doing.
students.
They are doing the
Yeah.
cooking activities, fireless
Right.
cooking
Yes.
activities. They are making lemonades and all. Means they are doing lot many things, and they are sending us the videos. Ma'am, today I have done this thing. So
Right.
it is a wonderful job that what we are talking about. Otherwise, in schools, when we were forced to teach the syllabus and complete the syllabus, those
Do this,
moral
do this.
values we were not able to inculcate in them. And
Right.
plus point, I think that to my all the viewers, my suggestion is that we should always take, I am a very much positive thinker, I take each and everything, we must take each and everything in our life in a positive way. If this pandemic has come, we must take this thing in a positive way, because my children, they are in Delhi, I am in Pathankot, now they have come to me, we all are spending a good family time after a long time. So we are taking it in a positive way. My daughter is doing her work from home. And another thing, I brought my mother-in-law, whom I could not attend when I was in working. And for last 3 months, she is with me and I am taking care of her. And that is the biggest thing which we are doing. Take it in a positive way. In the same way,
We spend loads of time.
we are living close to our children. We are living close to our children. We can understand the children. Children can understand the parents. I think this
Right.
is the best time. If it
So
is
my-
We
pandemic.
spend lots of time with our
Yes.
family also.
Yeah.
Yeah. So teachers are also, educators are a true warrior, I can say. Now
Yes.
my next question to both of you is, when it comes to online training, so what about the self-discipline which we as educators used to maintain in school? Because nowadays, if the students, they don't want to attend, they have a very good option, video mute kar do. See,
Seriously.
mute your video and audio. We are thinking, हाँ ये बच्चा attend कर रहा है. But so self-discipline, whether it be the discipline of uniform or taking like time discipline. See, whatever discipline, when the kids, they were coming to school, we had certain discipline to be maintained. So
Yeah.
one by one, I would like feedback of both of you on this. See, Vimal sir is smiling. Vikrant sir from Nainital is smiling to this question.
Pinky ma'am, you say
So
that
these are the challenges I
Ma'am.
think most of us are facing.
I think about it, ma'am. You can carry on.
Okay. So, Rachna ma'am,
Yeah.
I'll tell you later thing
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
meantime. So, what in my point of view, discipline, again, I will come to the same thing. As I said, ki moral values, inculcation of moral values is totally diminishing nowadays. So, this is the best time when we can inculcate those moral values practically in the children. Even the teachers, when because we know this thing, that a teacher says this is your ear and these are your nose. The child will say at home, yeah, this is my ear and these are my nose because my teacher
Right.
has said this thing. Because
Right.
teachers, the children, they consider in such a way that whatever the teacher is saying, that is right. Even teacher, if has by mistake, if he or she has corrected some wrong thing, the child will fight with the parents that yes, my teacher has corrected, so it is correct. So if teachers are motivating the children, yes, student, you have to sit in this thing. And moreover, when we are doing some practical things with them, and we are having some like, okay, you will get this prize. If this week, whosoever will be punctual, whosoever will be in proper uniform, at the end of the day, week, we will be giving some prize to you people. We are doing this thing in our children. And the children will automatically, that moral value, not by saying that this is moral value and we have to inculcate it, but in other way, practically, when we are doing, yes, child, you will get this thing. In regular routine also in assembly, I used to say, those who don't respect your parents, please raise your hand. So those who raised hand, I used to give a toffee to them. So then I
No
used
one,
to
no one
say
raised.
others, it is not for this reason that they don't respect their parents. It is because they are speaking truth in front of all of the school. So
Right.
this type of thing, if parents will also do with the children, automatically the children will learn something and
Right.
they will come in discipline.
Absolutely
Right.
correct, ma'am. Before Pinky ma'am says, I would just like to tell my viewers, see, after the talk show is over, all of you keep messaging that we have not received the certificate. So it's a humble request. Neeta is again and again sending a WhatsApp group chat link. Enter there, wherein we will send you a feedback form, and you have to fill up. See, daily 70 to 80 people. It is not possible that we keep a note. So one attendee does his or her work properly, it is easier for us to issue you the certificates. So again, a humble request, please do join the group wherein feedback form will be sent, because later on we cannot, if you have not filled up the feedback form, we cannot entertain. So now, Pinky ma'am, I think you must be ready
Yeah.
with of your view. So we
Yes.
would like to hear from
Yes,
you.
ma'am. Yeah, would like to add something. Yeah, like in classroom teaching, not only teacher. In fact, they build confidence, and confidence, manner, and most importantly, discipline is there every students in mind. But at that time, students, you know, they feel free कि ये कौन सा मैम देख रहे हैं, म्यूट कर दो. बट मैम,
Right.
as Suchitra ma'am said, कि will give few incentives, like will give you something that is a best way to do the things. Like बच्चों को मोटिवेट कैसे करना है ये हमें पता है, काम कैसे करना है ये पेरेंट्स को पता है, कैसे हमने करवाना है. तो डिसिप्लिन
Right.
में रहने के लिए बच्चों को मॉरल वैल्यूज के साथ जुड़ना बहुत जरूरी है. That is the main thing. If
Pinky ma'am, I think you are unmuted. You are muted. I can't hear you.
as the students are free from the regulation and boundaries of proper classroom environment, it's quite obvious that the curriculum will not maintain the way it should be. They might not study on the material routine manners, and they start taking things lightly. But we should motivate. Okay, it's what we do, that is all for you people. इसमें
Right.
आप ही का
That
बेनिफिट
awareness.
है.
Correct.
इसमें आप ही का बेनिफिट है, और आपका फ्यूचर हमारे साथ नहीं, हमारा फ्यूचर आपके साथ है. दैट्स द मेन थिंग. तो बच्चों को मोटिवेट टीचर्स एज वेल एज पेरेंट्स दोनों ही करें, तो वो डिसिप्लिन में रह के अपना ऑनलाइन जो एजुकेशन हम लोग दे रहे हैं उसको फॉलो कर सकते हैं.
पिंकी मैम, इस पे मैं ऐड करना चाहूंगी, सबका साथ होगा तो ही बच्चों का विकास होगा.
बिल्कुल
Right, right.
Jointly, educators and parents have to join in, and I can see Dr. Lalita from North India smiling to this. Welcome to our show, Dr. Lalita. Good to see you here. So now, my next question to this is, both of you have beautifully answered this. Now my next question, before I open the questions for the viewers if they have, my next question is about the emotional connect of between the educator and the students. Like, is it possible how on Zoom the social connect or the emotional connect, is it missing or how it
That,
is?
that is surely, ma'am, Rachna ma'am, that is missing because see, now also when we are sitting on Zoom, when we have some, we organize some this. So I always say कि everybody should open the video, because when
Right.
video is open, at least the speaker is thinking that so many people are listening to me. When the
Right.
video is closed, then we are looking, assuming it is as if we are speaking to ourselves.
Right.
So obviously we need
Right.
that connect with the students also. So when these classes are being done on these conducted on Zoom, I think our teachers are doing a lot of, again, I will appreciate you. Everybody will say that ma'am is always appreciating the teachers. Really, really, this is a, and you said our teachers are the biggest corona warriors who are
Right.
doing, who are
Right.
doing wonders for their families, who are doing wonders for their children also. It's not only for the, we are always, our society is always appreciating doctors, police. No doubt my family is full of doctors, my family is full of police people, but still teachers are to be very
Ma'am,
much improved.
Suchit,
And here I am saying for that social connect, again, when the teachers are doing something with difference. Something with difference means they are making the puppets, they are making something, they are making the things in an innovative way. The children will automatically connect. But that thing is missing. Children are missing their classmates. They are not able to adjust, but slowly, slowly, we are able to adjust in this way. In
right, ma'am.
starting time, it was missing, but now people are understanding and they are coping with it.
पिंकी मैम, आप क्या बोलोगे इसमें?
As we all know, ma'am, we the teacher are face reader, and by
Right.
reading the students' eyes, we can judge how much he or she understand, and he must showing the interest of online study.
Right.
We talk about online study, that's why I add on this, and interest on the particular topic also. We can also judge their judge their mood also.
Right.
That already Suchita ma'am said, we told them कि आप अपना ऑडियो है जो वो ऑन करोगे, so that we read the face कि बच्चे का मूड कैसा है, वो पढ़ रहा है या नहीं कर रहा है. So that is the main thing.
Right,
And
ma'am. Yeah.
they all are missing, no doubt they all are missing teachers डांट, टीचर्स की डांट को भी और टीचर्स के प्यार को भी, इन चीजों को ये मिस कर रहे हैं. इट्स वेरी नेसेसरी थिंग फॉर वी ऑल, बिकॉज हम लोग अभी स्कूल में जा रहे हैं तो वी ऑल्सो मिस के यार आज स्कूल में कितना सा सन्नाटा सा छाया हुआ है, शांति सी है. अगर बच्चे होते हैं तो उस चीज का मजा ही कुछ और है. तो आई कॉन्टेक्ट और फेस जो फेस इंटरेक्शन है, दैट इज अ main thing for student and we ourselves also.
So do you agree that yes, online teaching is necessary, but we cannot just deny the fact of offline bonding of the students? I think you both agree to it. इसमें
Yes.
मैं बोलना चाहूंगी कि yes, अगर चाहें तो हम, अगर as you both rightly said कि ऑडियो हमें ये करना है कि हमें बच्चों को ऑडियो म्यूट करने बोलना है, बिकॉज नीड नॉट पॉसिबल. अगर आप मुंबई जैसे घरों में बात करोगे, पंजाब में आप लोगों के बड़े बड़े घर होते हैं. मुंबई में अगर आप देखोगे 400 स्क्वायर फीट में 5-6 लोग बैठते हैं. अगर फादर हॉल में वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहा है, मदर रूम में कर रही है, तो बेचारे बच्चे का नौबत किचन में बैठ के क्लास अटेंड करने का आता है. So see, at times we have to accept what is available. So video on रखने का, so that we can get emotionally connect. जैसे कि
Yes.
मैं इस pandemic में, see, I was connected to more than 3,000 edu leaders span in globally. But ये 3 महीने में जो एक personal connect हुआ है, एक emotional connect हुआ है. सुचिता मैम, मैं आपको कब से जानती हूँ, but tell me honestly, हमारा
Yes.
emotional connect कब हुआ?
We just met in that
Online,
ECI.
yes.
We met
Right.
in Delhi. We
Yeah.
met first time, and
Right.
that was just an interaction.
Okay.
And after that, due to this, I attended your sessions. When Pawan sir's session was there, other sessions were there, and when I attended those sessions, automatically from there, we get emotionally attached.
Yes. Now, Pinky ma'am, you tell me, before we played Tambola, if I remember, did you know me also?
Yeah. No, not at all.
But
but
did we connect emotionally?
yeah. Yes,
Vimal sir, I would like your feedback on this.
Yes, ma'am, definitely now connected, ma'am.
So,
This is
because we all, yeah.
So it is
ma'am,
all
this
in
is
our
a
mind.
nice platform where we can connect with each other. I think so. I add in more thing. I think so. Holy solely टीचर के हाथ में है बच्चों को engage करना, बच्चों को एक्टिवेट करना, बच्चों को मोटिवेट करना. मेरा जो कंक्लूजन है, क्योंकि डे बाय डे जो हम चैलेंजेस फेस करते हैं, मैंने एक रचना मैम आपको सिक्योरिटी इशू एक क्वेश्चन भी डाला था. सिक्योरिटी इशू
सर आप पूछ सकते हो, अभी मे बी इतने सारे मैसेजेस में आई मिस्ड आउट. यू कैन आस्क नाउ.
रीजन क्या है मैम कि डेली रूटीन में जैसे जूम ऐप यूज करते हैं या गूगल मीट करते हैं कि बच्चे इतने नोटी हैं कि रीनेम किया, अनदर पर्सन को ज्वाइन करवा दिया, अपनी अटेंडेंस मार्क हो गई. अभी वीडियो कंसेप्ट सेम सुचिता मैम कह रहे थे कि वीडियो कंसेप्ट ऑन होना चाहिए. अभी ये बिलो प्राइमरी सेक्शन तक तो ठीक है, फिफ्थ अप टू फिफ्थ तक, लेकिन अपर पार्ट पे दे आर वेरी नोटी. वो स्मार्टनेस अपनी यूज करते हैं, अपने फ्रेंड्स का रिमोट देते हैं अपने इस मोबाइल पे जो मैसेज है तो वो ऑन होता है, अपना फ्रेंड ऑन है, आप खूब मस्ती में करते हैं. तो वो चीजें कुछ इश्यूज लेके आती हैं.
Vimal sir, first and the foremost thing, I want to thank you because you were totally responding throughout this session, and this gives us a very good feeling that the person who is responding, this is what we are saying, if the videos are open and you are giving response to us, and we also feel that yes, we are speaking with somebody.
There are other reasons. There is one other reason, ma'am.
Yes, Pinky ma'am. Yes, Pinky ma'am.
मैंने कहा there is other reason. Actually, मैम हमारे लोगों का एक ग्रुप है जो आज इसमें शामिल है. And one of Vimal sir and second is Mala ma'am. अभी I don't think so कि माला क्यों नहीं बोल रही है बीच में.
Okay, so I will just say, जैसा कि विमल सर ने, सुचिता मैम ने और पिंकी मैम ने बोला, हमारे मुंबई के मोस्टली स्कूल्स में जहाँ पे भी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस शुरू हो चुके हैं, दिस इज अ रूल दैट ऑडियो हैज टू बी म्यूट बट वीडियो हैज टू बी अनम्यूटेड.
Yes.
चाहे वो बड़े बच्चे का भी अगर वीडियो अनम्यूटेड रहेगा तो सर यू विल बी एबल टू सी. तो जैसा कि आप बोल रहे, बड़े बच्चे प्रैंक कर रहे हैं, किसी और को पास ऑन कर दे रहे हैं, सो वो चीज नहीं होगा. सो वी हैव टू बी वेरी पर्टिकुलर एट टाइम्स. Yes, Mala ma'am, Lalita ma'am, anything, and see, our speakers have spoken lovely about it. And anybody facing any challenges with parents, one second, sir. Anybody facing any challenges, how to motivate the kids, या कोई आपको system नहीं आ रहा है, you can feel free to connect with me. And yes, sir, somebody was saying I am not able to see the face. विमल सर, यस सर.
रचना मैम, एक्चुअली क्या है कि जो ये प्रॉब्लम आई कि हमें 6 ऑनवर्ड्स अप टू +2, तो हमने क्या है कि पेरेंट्स से अंडरटेकिंग लिया कि आपका बच्चा किस ईमेल से साइन इन करेगा, किस फोन से वो एंट्री करेगा, प्लस अगर वो किस नाम से एंट्री करता है, अगर कोई अनदर नेम यूज करता है तो आपका बच्चा एब्सेंट भी होगा, प्लस आपके अगेंस्ट जो डिसिप्लिनरी एक्शन वो लिया जाएगा. वो एक गूगल फॉर्म में
कर देती हूँ. मैं तो अपने क्लास में मैंने 4 बार बोला नाम दिखाओ, अदरवाइज रिमूव. तुरंत नेक्स्ट डे तुरंत पेरेंट अपना नाम लिख के कर देता है, या फिर चालू करते ही चैट बॉक्स में लिख देता है कि ये मोबाइल नंबर है तो इस बच्चे का नाम है. सो एट टाइम वी हैव टू बी स्ट्रिक्ट. सी, जहाँ पे हम बच्चों के लेवल में जाके हम उनको मोटिवेट करते हैं, इंस्पायर करते हैं, at the same time अगर हमारा कहीं strictness नहीं रहेगा, so we will not be able to work. So somehow we have to be little, I would say, if anybody wants to speak, please put your name in the chat box, क्योंकि एक साथ अगर सब बोलेंगे तो कोई किसी का नहीं सुन पाएगा. Any type of your views or anything, Lalita ma'am, would you like to say anything?
Yeah, I want to ask one question that nowadays our parents were saying that the Zoom app is not safe. So please, ma'am, or
मैम
Yeah.
मैम इस कोरोना मैं पहले तो मैं एक्सपर्ट को देने के पहले मैं सिर्फ एक जवाब देना चाहूंगी. इज COVID-19 सेफ? Can we just remove COVID-19 from us? Can we do
No.
that? No. So
No, it's
yes,
not possible.
it is not possible. We cannot remove corona or COVID-19 from our life. We have to live with it till it is totally eradicated. So Lalita ma'am, see abhi when the pandemic started, the easiest option available to all of us was Zoom. Now there are many Indian apps which have come, Microsoft Meet, Google Meet, and many other apps. One we have tried, GT app also. So 3 to 4 apps are available. Gradually we will be also moving from Zoom to those apps. But let us first learn, be tech savvy,
exactly.
because we are also a good learners. This pandemic has taught us that learning never ends, whatever be our age. So if you want, I can share you the Microsoft Meet app, and then you can try that. It's a lovely Indian app. Whoever wants, please, my WhatsApp chat group link Anita is sending on the chat box. Do join the WhatsApp group, and there you can put in your queries. So we would try to help you out. Anybody else would want to say or ask anything or give their feedback? Because our panelists have given.
Rachna ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
can I reply Lalita ma'am's question?
Yes, ma'am.
Can
Please,
I add
please,
something
please.
to it? I
Yes,
just want
please.
to say that Zoom app, why we people are saying, because it is Chinese app, and we people say why people are saying इसमें से कुछ वो ले जाएंगे हमारा, कुछ हमारा data चला जाएगा. So when we are teaching our children, what data we are giving to them?
Exactly the same
There
thing.
is nothing.
Yeah.
There is nothing to be lost.
Exactly, there is nothing to be lost. Actually, it is a very good sharing platform if it happens then. But how to convince them? This is a question to me nowadays. But I'll try to convince them, and I'll try to.
Yes, we have to.
We are
have to
sharing the
convince.
knowledge. We are sharing the knowledge.
Yes,
If,
we
even
are
if
sharing the
even
knowledge.
if it gets transferred, we are sharing the knowledge, and the more we share, the more we gain.
Yes.
Thank you, Suchita ma'am. Thank you so much.
I liked your this thing, Suchita ma'am. That very, very important point. Anybody else, Vikrant sir, you would like to add on something? Ghansham sir, Krishnamurthy sir, anybody would like to add on? Please write your name on the chat box, because if everybody starts at one go, I think we will not be able to. Kajal, please mute yourself. Miss Kajal, please mute yourself. Yes, if anybody would like to say anything, you can put your name in the chat box, so that we, because our panelists have spoken very beautifully and we have covered almost all the aspects. So I think we are done with it. So thank you so much, Pinky ma'am and Suchita ma'am, for sharing your lovely insights.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you all the
For sharing your lovely insights, and whatever queries educators as well as parents have it. I think now the mindset is very clear about sharing the WhatsApp, sharing online classes or whatever it is. I think sharing the data, all the informations were quite informative. Now Vikrant sir has unmuted his video, means he is ready to speak something. Yes, sir.
Ma'am, it is about these online classes.
Yes, sir.
The parchment paper was started in the time when everybody was passing information to children orally. Then it was something which was frowned upon. Reading, as I said in the earlier webinar too, was something which was considered antisocial. We need to adapt. We as human beings have moved ahead because we have adapted. So online is something which is here to stay. Our children are tech savvy. I remember when we had a black and white television in the 80s, early 80s. Our aunt used to tentatively go to turn it on, and everybody was sent to the third room. Forget the second one. And now children are actually using the apps and things in a great manner. So technology is here to stay. It was always there to stay. We need to adapt to it. Yes, there will be negativity in everything, but we cannot throw the child out with the bath water. We need to overcome the negativity. We have, even in an offline class, a class of, it could be for 15 children, it could be for 50. There are children who play truant, who bunk. So that doesn't mean we stop classes in those times.
Right.
I remember as a child used to have the urge to drink water. I was in a boarding school. So yes, I did get a medical certificate claiming that I need to drink water every half an hour or so. The trick worked for 3 days, and then I was provided 12 water bottles by 12 teachers. There's enough water for you. So we as teachers need to evolve ourselves. We need to ensure that we overcome what children are trying to do wrong with us. And technology will evolve. We need to trust it, and we need to make use of it. If we say our children may do something wrong using technology, believe me, they might do it. If we trust our children, allow them to use technology, they will create their own boundaries and they will move ahead. Thank you for a great session. It was amazing hearing both the panelists and you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir. And
would like to add on something, ma'am, if it is possible for you. Yeah.
Yes, please.
Yeah. Actually, I request to all the parents, firstly, guide to your kids about right and wrongs, and then keep trust in their teachers. You will also adopt to online education. Well, as we all know, in every coin there is both head as well as tail. Always, so let's take a look on its shortcoming also. No doubt there are lots of बहुत सारी एडवांटेजेस भी हैं, डिसएडवांटेज, पर हमने किस चीज को लेना है वो हमारे पे डिपेंड करता है. Online teaching, online education, it's not a phobia for all, because there are lots of rumors के जी ऐसे हो रहा है, जी ऐसे हो रहा है. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. जब हम बच्चों को बाहर भेजते हैं तो वो सारा ऑनलाइन है. फिर हम यहाँ पे इंडिया में रह के क्यों ऐसी बातें कर रहे हैं कि ऑनलाइन टीचिंग पे हम इतना पे कर रहे हैं, why should we pay so high? Like there are lots of problem in India. I don't know why.
मैम, आप ये जो पेमेंट का बात कर रहे हो, तो मैंने सोशल मीडिया में एक पोस्ट भी डाला है. When parents can sit at home, work from home, and they can be paid by their companies, why this question is coming that when teachers are teaching online, then why not pay them? And believe me, I will send you the link. 3 lakh viewing of that post, and 3 lakh people have supported that. So I would request all the educators to make that video viral and let Modi ji read that post, because everything is going against, like the problem with us as educators. You know what had happened? Educators, as we generate the future, all the future professions, so final exam के time आ रहे थे और pandemic announce कर दिया गया, तो हमने demand आने के पहले we jumped into it. अभी कैसे आप देखो कि लॉकडाउन खत्म हो रहा है, तो आप इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का आप अपना मीटर रीडिंग देख लीजिए. इन मुंबई इट इज कमिंग 10 times हायर. पेट्रोल डीजल जैसे ट्रांसपोर्ट रोड पे आ गई हैं, पेट्रोल डीजल का प्राइस बढ़ गए हैं. बट एडुकेटर्स ने क्या किया? किसी का वेट ही नहीं किया. गवर्नमेंट और पेरेंट्स का वेट ही नहीं किया. खुद बड़े मैदान पे अपने बच्चों को पढ़ाने के लिए कि उनका टाइम बर्बाद नहीं हो.
वेरी गुड.
जहाँ पे डिमांड के पहले आप सप्लाई दोगे, सी आई एम अ सीए, जहाँ पे डिमांड से ज्यादा सप्लाई ज्यादा होगा, वहां पे मार्केट वैल्यू कम होगा. तो कहीं ना कहीं हम एडुकेटर इस चीज के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. So I will share you that social media link. Please do share maximum so that our voice goes to the Prime Minister or social the concerned person. Yes.
Rachna ma'am, one thing I want to share that.
Yes ma'am, please.
It is not that we are responsible for this thing, because we are not running away of our responsibility of teaching our children.
That is what I said. We jumped into it.
Yeah, so we have to take, I again, in the starting also I said I am a very much positive thinker, and I always say do good and have good. It is not my say. I say do good and forget. When we do good for somebody and forget it.
Right,
Obviously, we
absolutely
will
right.
get in return.
Because it's a
Right,
law of
ma'am.
attraction.
Yeah,
Yeah.
obviously we will get one day in return of that, and I have experienced this thing in my life.
And we will waiting for that time कि कब वो अच्छा time आएगा कि हम अच्छा ही पाएंगे.
Means ki parents, they don't listen this thing, they
Yes.
can't understand this thing.
Yes.
Many principals have lost their jobs.
Jobs.
Teachers have lost their jobs because management is saying we are not going to pay you, and
Right.
teachers
And they have
lost their
not
jobs.
only lost jobs, I know few educators in Mumbai, they have started selling bhaji to survive
Yes.
their family.
Obviously.
Few management I have heard today. I attended one of the Zoom sessions of the education fraternity, and few of the management, they are committing suicide because they don't have money to pay to their teachers. So the government have to come forward. We all together can bring a change, is all I can say. And thank you each one of you for sharing such a lovely, beautiful insight that how online teaching is necessary. Otherwise, the kids, they will forget what they have been taught for last few years.
Obviously.
Especially the pre-primary kids requires more attention, because since the parents are working, they do not have time. So be it any age group, online education is a must. And I started with a quote today, and I really like that quote. So I would end with that quote again. Invention of knife is a boon to the mankind if it is used for cutting and peeling vegetables. And it is a curse if it is used to rob people for their belongings. So how and why a knife is used decide if it is a boon or a curse. So this was also sent by one of the edu leader from Kanpur. Thank you, Aditya sir, for such a beautiful message. And again, with this, your host, your host is winding off for today. Be ready with our next announcement of Rapid Talks with Rachna. Till then, stay home, stay healthy, and move out of the house only if necessary, because COVID has not gone away. We are learning to live with COVID. So step out of the house only when it is very much essential. Thank you so much for being there. Thank you so much once again, Suchita sir, Suchita ma'am, Pinky ma'am, Vikrant sir, Vimal sir, and all those who participated in today's conversation.
Thank you very
so
much, ma'am. Thank you.
Great session.
Thank you, everybody.
Kudos to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It goes to the panelists. They have brought beautiful points in front of the viewers, attendees. Thank you. And do join my WhatsApp group, so that we have to reach this message. We have to make this message reach the concerned authority. Yes, that we are also Corona warriors.
Send me link also, ma'am.
Yeah, I will send
To
you
me
the
also.
Facebook link only. Yeah, sure.
Right.
Thank you.
We'll definitely share.
Yeah.
Okay.